friends, it's Sarah here, and today we're going to unbox the new Kiara Sky Beyond Professional Pink LED lamp. I'm super excited for this. It's pink. They finally came out with a pink lamp. So if you have pink in your nail studio, then this lamp is for you. So I'm gonna flip that camera around and we're gonna unbox this. So what I really love about this lamp is all the features that comes with it. It has a low heat mode, so when you're doing hard gel nails, then you can turn the low heat mode on and you can stop the heat spike from happening. So it has a 15-second, a 30-second, and a 60-second as well. And this is your timer, and it'll tell you that it is low right here and you need to charge it. So to charge it, the lamp comes with its own little rechargeable cable. So I just create a charging station in my house, and I'll plug this in before work if it's low. So you only need to plug it in when it's really low. You don't need to plug it in when it is fully charged or anything, and you don't want to use the lamp while it's plugged in. So the lamp is meant to be completely cordless, which is a massive, awesome feature for me. I do not like cords. Cords are messy and in the way. So this lamp is perfect for if you are like that and you don't want a ton of cords on your desk. This lamp is also great because you could bring it traveling. So if you are a nail tech who travels and takes a lot of courses and stuff, this would be the perfect travel lamp, and it has a little handle as well. So you can carry this around and you won't have to worry about dropping it because you got this nice secure handle. So the lamp is a beautiful, stunning baby pink. On one side of the lamp, it says Beyond Pro in a medium gray color. The top has the stunning Kiara Sky symbol that lights up. And then on the other side, it says Kiara Sky Professional Nails. It also, on the inside, has a sensor. So when clients stick their hands in the light, you don't need to switch the back. You just keep it on what you normally use it on. So I normally use it on 60 seconds, so I just keep that on. And then it also has fingerprint areas for your clients. So they know where to stick their thumbs to get the most efficient cure. So you guys already saw that it also comes with a removable trace for easy cleaning. So you can take this in and out to clean it. And it also has fans and vents in the unit to keep it nice and cool and so it doesn't heat up. So I hope you guys like this little video. I just wanted to share with you my newest item in my salon. And if this goes with your decor, this would be the perfect lamp. I absolutely am obsessed with the ones I already have. I actually have 2 of the white ones, and I honestly love these lamps. I think that they are very convenient. So if you ever have any issues with your lamp, Kiara Sky has a 1-year warranty on these lamps specifically, and Kiara Sky has great customer service, so you never really have to worry anyway because they always have your back. So hope you guys like this little unboxing video, and if you want to see more of these kind of videos, I wasn't sure if you guys would be interested. So if you are, please give me a thumbs up and I'll show you guys smaller, shorter unboxing videos of the newest stuff I get in, if it's stuff like this where it's a little bit easier to film videos like that. So let me know down below if you're gonna pick up the pink one or the basic white one. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out that Kiara Sky actually does have their own channel. They show tutorials with their product as well. So I will link Kiara Sky's YouTube channel down below, so don't forget to check them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.